All right, welcome back, Catherine. So today we're going to go ahead and finish our Friday with goal number 3. So we are going to sequence 3 events using picture titles. So make sure you go to goal number 3 and flip the page and you'll have this worksheet. So we're going to go with what happened first, what happened second, and what happened third. So here in this first picture, we have the little boy sweating. But then in the second picture, we see him it looks like he's turning on the fan. And then we have him sitting on the couch, relaxing, getting some fresh air. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you this in a short story, and you're going to tell me what happened first. So we're going to name the little boy Tom. Tom came home from practice. Tom was very hot and sweaty. Tom wanted to freshen up, so he turned the fan on. And last, he sat down and relaxed. So, Catherine, can you tell me what happened first? Great job. What happened second? And what happened last? Good job. Now, if you can take a picture and submit it to me so we can get a grade. Great job. So, Catherine, we are going to be working on personal space. So I want you to watch this video. And it is going to be in the link. And just take some time to watch and look at respecting personal space. Once you're done with this, you are done for the day. Thank you for your time.